Hi guys, good day. I'm Crisfel Cortes, and for today's vlog, I will be talking about the statement of financial position. It also known as the balance sheet, which includes amounts of the company's total assets, liabilities, and owner's equity, which in totally provides the condition of the company on a specific date. The statement of financial position is based on a formula called the accounting equation, which states that assets is equals to liabilities plus owner's equity. Assets is equals to liabilities plus owner's equity, which assets means it is anything that owned by a person or a company. Liability. It is something that owes by a person or a company. Owner's equity. It is the remaining value of an owner's interest in a company after all liabilities have been deducted. Current assets. Assets that can be realized within the normal course of a business, or 1 year from the reporting date, whichever is longer. Examples are cash, accounts receivable, merchandise inventory, prepaid expense, and etc. Non-current assets. Assets that cannot be realized 1 year from the reporting date. Examples are property, plant and equipment or PPE, intangible assets, long-term investments. Current liabilities. Liabilities that fall due within a normal course of a business or 1 year from reporting date, whichever is longer. Examples are accounts payable, accrued expenses, unearned revenue, and notes payable. Non-current liabilities. Liabilities that do not fall due within 1 year from the reporting date. Examples are loans payable and mortgage payable. Owner's equity. It is the total value of a company's assets that belongs to an owner once the liabilities have been settled. So there are two forms of statement of financial position, which are the account form and the report form. This is the example of account form. On the left side of the statement are the assets, while on the right side are the liabilities and owner's equity. This type of statement lists the three different sections: assets, liabilities, and owner's equity, one on top of the other. First, the assets section. Below of that is the liabilities section, and next is the owner's equity. In this illustrative problem, I will prepare the statement of financial position of the Villas Company using the following accounts as of December 2020 in report form and account form. So, take note of these following accounts. Let's start with the company name. In our case, Villas Company. Followed by the statement itself. Statement of financial position. And the date as of December 2020. Let me give you an emphasis of the date as of December 2020. It means everything I will discuss here is running balance up until December 2020. Before I present one by one the elements of statement of financial position, please take note that they are presented in order of liquidity. And when we say liquidity, it means how quickly you can get your money whenever you need it. First, I will present our statement of financial position in report form. So let's start it in our assets. First, our current assets. These are cash, 32,500, our accounts receivable, 28,200, prepaid expense, 20,000, merchandise inventory, 15,000, and our supplies, 25,200. When you add them, it will give us a total current assets of 120,900, followed by our non-current assets. These are PPE, 41,500, office equipment, 35,100, intangible assets, 18,900. And if you add them, it will give you a total non-current assets of 95,500. Now, add the current assets and non-current assets, so it gives our total assets of 216,400. Next, our liabilities. First, our current liabilities. These are accounts payable, 25,000, short-term loans, 30,200, accrued expenses, 50,000, notes payable, 20,500. Then, if you add them, it will give us a total current liabilities of 125,700, followed by our non-current liabilities these are long-term loans, 10,800, bonds payable, 22,250, and it gives us a total of total non-current liabilities 33,050. Now, add the total current liabilities and total non-current liabilities, so it will gives us a total liabilities of 158,700. Next is our owner's equity. We have our common stock, 27,150, retained earnings, 30,500, and if we add them, we have a total owner's equity of 57,650. Next, add your total liabilities and your total owner's equity. So it will gives us a total liabilities and owner's equity of 216,400. Make sure that the total liabilities and owner's equity is equals to your assets. Now, I will represent the statement of financial position in account form. List all the assets on the left side area. Now, list all the liabilities on the right side area. Below of the liabilities, list all the owner's equity. So that ends our discussion for today. Once again, I'm Crisfel Mae Cortes, and I hope that you have learned from this vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.